Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. The incognito mode is known for not saving the watch history and the search history. In order to enable it, go to YouTube. Tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you may see that below your name, there are a few options like switch account, Google account. When you slide, you can see that there is turn on incognito option. Tap on turn on incognito. To check if you've gone incognito or not, you can tap on the bottom right icon that says you. Here, you can see that you've gone incognito and can turn off incognito anytime you want by tapping on the turn off incognito icon highlighted in blue. That is how you can go incognito on YouTube easily. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.